Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a signature to your profile on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on the main dashboard, tap your Profile tab from the top. On your profile page, tap the 3 lines button to the right of your name. This will open the Profile Editor. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the signature area. Tap that to edit it. You can now design your new signature, which will be displayed on your profile when people visit it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.